To the channel. Today I'm excited to show you guys how I made these super cute faux leather wristlet key fobs. To get started, we only need a few basic supplies, some beautiful faux leather we're going to cut into strips, our key fob hardware, and a pair of key fob pliers to clamp everything together. I'm also going to use this portable trimmer. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my leather on my trimmer. It's already the length that I need, which is about 12 inches. My key fob hardware is 1 inch, so that's what I need to measure my strips out to. I'm just going to line that up and I'm going to measure out 1 inch, and that's what I'm going to cut it to. I do have a Maker 3 machine, which I can cut out multiple strips at once, but I prefer this way. I feel that it leaves less frays on the sides. So I'm just going to take that and gently pull it apart, and I'm going to continue this process until I have the number of strips that I need. So we have all of our pieces, so we're going to go ahead and put them together. I'm just going to take the two ends and I'm going to grab them together like this. You can use double-sided tape to put that on, and so that will hold secure, because it probably is easier that way, but I'm not going to do it that way. So I'm going to take my hardware and I'm going to take the little ring off of it, because it's easier. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna take this, and it has these little clamps on it, and you're gonna put that on there like that. Then I'm gonna take my little tool and I'm gonna go on it, top of it like that, and I'm just gonna press down. Like so. And then you also want to do the sides. You do each side and press down as hard as you can. And that is it. So you just put your little key ring thing back on. And I'm just gonna look at it. There are little fray pieces, so you can just take a lighter, but be careful not to burn it or yourself. You could just take a little lighter or some scissors and just hit that, the sides of that really quickly. Which everything looks good. So that's pretty much it. I'm just going to continue this process until I have them all finished. I do love how these turned out, and you can get so creative with different colors and patterns. If you enjoyed this quick little video of how I made these, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think, and subscribe for more craft projects. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.